What is going on? Will, home technology expert here at another project where we're going to be doing a lot of smart home items to this particular house. Let's take a look. All right, I made a bunch of improvements inside and outside of the house. Taking a look at the outside, you have a regular doorbell, a dummy deadbolt, and an ugly ass doorknob with a porch light that just not has aged well. So I wanted to make it more inviting coming up to the front door. So now I installed a very pretty looking porch light, nice LED, and then I hardwired a Ring Video doorbell Pro Generation 2 and painted the faceplate black so it matches the hardware. Also, I put in this very handsome handle and a Yale smart lock with a touchscreen. So when you touch it, you can put in a PIN code to be able to unlock it, to be able to give to guests. You could use a manual key, or you could use your iPhone to be able to unlock the smart lock or lock it whether you're home or whether you're away from the house. And of course, you could manually open and close it also. All right, so let's go inside of the house. This is the living room before I do anything. I'm going to be doing some wiring for a 65-inch TV and a Sonos soundbar speaker over the fireplace. And then on the left side here, I have the older thermostat that I'm going to be replacing it and modernizing it. Okay, get ready for this. This is the after now. Sony 65-inch OLED 4K TV mounted with a Sonos Beam soundbar, second generation, Dolby Atmos. Look how I do that beautiful floating effect, professionally done with hidden wiring, and it just looks gorgeous right there. White soundbar blended in beautifully with the color of the fireplace. Now let's take a look at the smart thermostat. This is the ecobee premium smart thermostat, the brand new model that just came out with larger touchscreen display. Come on, all smart thermostats should be able to be touchscreen, and also the app on the iPhone works the same way as the touchscreen does. Nice and simple to use. And of course, over at the garage door, I had to install a smart garage door opener kit so they can open and close the garage door using their iPhone, whether they're home or whether they're running their errands. And guess what? If they wondered if they left the garage door open or closed, they can use their iPhone in order to find out and check. Thanks for watching my latest project. Now you know what to do. Go to hometechexpert.com and click on schedule a free estimate if you're interested in getting your smart home project done right professionally.